What's up, folks? Welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss the best-selling 360-degree cameras according to their budget, performance, and much more. Take a moment to check out the description below for more details. Therefore, without further ado, let's begin. At first, we have the Insta360 X3. The Insta360 X3 is an improvement over our previous favorite and takes everything that was great about it and cranks it up a level. It outperforms the GoPro Max for single-lens 4K clarity and is superior when it comes to recording 5.7K 360-degree video. It is portable yet powerful. Plus, we also discovered that the GoPro's active HDR mode was excellent at preserving detail and highlights, even though some processing components can appear more artificial than a GoPro. Testing also demonstrated the flow state image stabilization's ongoing efficacy. Even though there are still a few software kinks to be worked out, we thought the Insta360 X3 was much simpler to use handheld thanks to its noticeably larger 2.29-inch touchscreen. But it's mostly simple once you get used to the user interface. In tests, the editing process also worked smoothly, and the experience was complemented by a variety of instruments that were simple to use. The 81-minute battery life was found to be accurate during our testing. Even better, this Insta360 emerges as the most adaptable 360 camera you can purchase right now when you factor in its 10-meter waterproof, which is twice that of the GoPro Max. Next is GoPro Max. This company's Go Max is a decent alternative to the Insta360 ONE X2 if you want to capture immersive videos of sporting adventures or outdoor pursuits. Without a cover, it is waterproof to a depth of 5 meters, and the editing process is slick and straightforward. One of the advantages of 360 cameras is the ability to convert 360-degree video into a traditional 2D movie. So if you're okay with the final footage being in full HD, you can easily do this with the app's overcapture software. Additionally, it also enhances a lot of the features found on the hero action cameras from GoPro, such as the better hyper-smooth stabilization and 360-degree time warp sequences. However, this Max falls short of being the ideal GoPro for both 360 and standard film because of the slightly subpar 2D video footage. Yet, it's an excellent choice for anyone who wants to rapidly edit action sequences after shooting them in all directions without having to worry about choosing where to point their action camera. Next up, we have the Kandao QooCam 8K. Although statistics never fully convey a situation, 8K is a very remarkable number for a consumer 360 camera. With a pair of 20-megapixel CMOS sensors that work together to record 8K footage at 30 frames per second and 4K video at up to 200 frames per second, QooCam's 360 Heavyweight dominates the competition in terms of resolution. It's the first non-pro model from which 360-degree footage can be cropped down to widescreen format without a significant loss in quality, and it can produce VR-grade video right out of the box. On top of that, it features a class-leading 2.4-inch OLED touchscreen for simple control and framing, as well as impressive super steady picture stabilization. Dynamic range, color, and contrast are all superb for both still photos and video. Although there are only a few video modes and the companion app is fairly simple, there is a useful express option that downsizes footage for mobile editing. There is also no getting around the QooCam's 8K's relatively large size or absence of waterproofing. Nonetheless, its video quality is unmatched in the 360 market, providing you can tolerate its price. Next is Insta360 Evo. Although the One X from Insta360 may be more stylish and pocket-friendly, the Evo is a more adaptable 360-degree camera. With back-to-back fisheye lenses, it can operate for a brief period as a standard 360-degree camera, capturing everything in its field of view in a respectable 5.7K resolution. Following that instant, both lenses will be positioned with their fields of vision aligned 180 degrees apart due to the hinged design of the device, enabling the capture of 3D VR content. For the latter, you'll really need an Oculus or similar VR headset, but it highlights important events with cinematic slow motion or speeds up the action with the stabilized hyperlapse, all in the app. The Insta360 ONE RS comes next. This ONE RS is a one-of-a-kind product on the market that is made to appeal to anyone who would typically contemplate a GoPro but longs to at least try 360 degrees. The format has established itself as a pleasant option for occasional use, but one that lacks much more development, which is consistent with us, as evidenced by the fact that its 360-degree lens is unchanged from the first-gen version. The Insta360 App's 4K Boost lens will be used by the majority of users, though that lens does offer a ton of creative options, and we enjoyed how it offers templates to make stylish 360-degree sequences from clips during testing. Although this is more capable than the original, we aren't sure how helpful the 6K widescreen feature actually is. But recording in stunning 4K, which has always been razor-sharp and ultra-smooth, is much more practical. We finish with the Meeting Owl 3. The most immersive hybrid meeting experience is created by the Meeting Owl 3, which is a high-end 360-degree camera, microphone, and speaker gadget. It has plug-and-play simplicity, intelligent autofocus on the speaker, and support for the majority of video conferencing systems, as well as it is also designed with a 1080p HD resolution and an 18-foot microphone pickup range for conference rooms and classes. With the brand new expansion mic, which is available for purchase separately, you can extend the pickup area by an extra 8 feet here. Plus, you can start your meeting by simply launching your chosen video conferencing platform after plugging in the power and USB. Likewise, you can also easily manage meetings using desktop, mobile, or tablet applications. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.